Conventional hot plates are traditionally made from a cast iron plate which heats up using electricity. While this durable design is very effective, it can be rather slow to heat up and inconsistent at maintaining precise temperatures preferred by serious cooks. While induction burners are generally more expensive, but they're capable of fast, precise heat without heating up the cooktop surface. However, induction technology requires the use of specific cookware and will not work with glass, ceramic, or copper materials. Induction burners can also be noisy due to their internal cooling fan, but there's no denying they cook food quickly and consistently. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric hot plate. So let's get started. Number 5. MaxiMatic ESB301F. The MaxiMatic ESB301F is an affordable traditional electric hot plate, delivering 1000 watts of power to its cast iron heating plate. The ESB301F is capable of boiling water reasonably quickly and offers good control over temperature levels with the choice of warm, low, medium, and high settings. Despite the high temperatures achieved by the heating plate, the unit's base always remains cool to the touch. Non-skid feet prevent unwanted, potentially dangerous movement, and there's also a power indicator light for safety. Overall, for those who want affordability and longevity from a basic cast iron hot plate, the ESB301F is a go-to for sensible shoppers. Number 4. Maxburton 6200 Deluxe. This 1800-watt induction cooktop from Maxburton offers fast and safe cooking, with no open flame to cause burns or the risk of potentially disastrous fire. This portable induction burner features an LED display with the choice of 10 power levels for easy temperature control and 180-minute timer, as well as an overheat sensor to ensure your safety. The stainless steel housing and ceramic cooktop are also very easy to clean, delivering fast and consistent results in a small, portable package with even cooking and accurate temperatures every time. Like any induction cooktop, this appliance requires the use of specific cookware as glass, ceramic, and copper options will not work. Number 3. Aroma AHP 303. The Aroma AHP 303 is a portable electric hot plate made of die-cast metal for durable and consistent performance. The AHP 303 offers low, warm, medium, and high settings, has an indicator light to show when the unit is on, and the compact design with non-skid feet is extremely portable. It's important to ensure this hot plate has plenty of space around it, as objects too close can cause the thermal safety trigger to believe the device is overheating and shut it off. Regardless, this is an excellent hot plate which heats up quickly and is able to maintain relatively accurate temperatures. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Hot Plate. Although this induction cooktop from Berghoff is more expensive than most would want to pay for a hot plate, it may be worth the added cost if you require a cooktop capable of more serious cooking. While most hot plates are only suited for occasional use or for cooking which doesn't require precise temperatures, this model offers high-end performance, consistent heat, and stylish design. The easy clean, ceramic cooking surface and touch pad controls are sleek and modern, along with a timer, plentiful settings for cooking and warming, and the ability to manually adjust the temperature. Although an induction cooktop is far less likely to cause burns since it heats the cookware instead of the actual cooking surface, an LED light nonetheless indicates when the unit is on, and the unit will shut off if it detects overheating where cookware isn't present. Number 1. Waring Pro SB30. This cast iron hot plate from Waring offers 1300 watts of power for fast, stable heat. Although the SB30 won't match the performance of a more precise induction burner, it heats up quickly while offering a compact and portable design useful for a variety of purposes. An adjustable thermostat allows you to accurately control cooking temperatures while the unit has both on and ready indicator lights to ensure user safety. The SB30 features a brushed stainless steel housing and non-skid feet to keep it in place. Although this single hot plate is pricey for a traditional cast iron model, it offers decent performance and temperature control. That was our list of the top 5 best electric hot plate just for you.